So I want to share the story of one of our clients, the Creators Database, because they went from having zero connections with any influencers or affiliates to having affiliates be their number one way of acquiring customers. They're a small team of 3 people, not super technical, and they felt as though affiliates could work for them, but they had no idea how to actually build and run their own affiliate program. So we came in and built the entire system for them. The tracking, the recruitment, the onboarding, everything. So I just wanted to take a couple minutes to show you exactly what we built and how it actually worked. So the first thing we built for them was the offer. Now, the affiliate offer is the core component of any affiliate program. So we followed a 3-tier offer approach where we're incentivizing affiliates to compete against one another, and we're actually giving them incentives to perform better. So the better they perform, the more they get rewarded. So this offer was based off of the cost to acquire a customer. And since we want to keep, ideally we want to have a 3-to-1 LTV to CAC ratio, where LTV is just the lifetime value of the customer, or how much money the customer gives you in their entire lifetime, or the amount of time that they spend with you. We want that number to be 3 times as much as the cost to actually get them to start buying. So keeping that in mind, we usually do percentages of the cost to acquire a customer, where let's say the first tier is about 25% of the cost to acquire a customer, the second tier could be 50%, and then the third tier could be 100% of the cost to acquire a customer. But for the Creators Database, since they didn't have really many expenses, since it was a digital product, the cost of fulfillment was pretty much zero. We were able to actually have a much greater affiliate offer without hurting the margins of the business. So the Creators Database was unique as well because they didn't have a social media presence. So because of that, we decided to use a cold email outreach system with one initial message and one follow-up. And we kind of funneled all the affiliates, all the influencers that we were reaching out to the affiliates application page. All right, so just a little blurb about the technical stuff. Most companies would use cookies in order to track affiliate clicks and sales, but we decided that, it's not a very robust method of actually tracking these sales. So instead, we're using DynamoDB, and we're storing all the information about the affiliate in the local storage of the device rather than using cookies. Our whole affiliate infrastructure is based in AWS using services like DynamoDB. And all that means is that it's very reliable and scalable. So if you have a lot of affiliates, or if 1 or 2 affiliates bring in a ton of customers, we have the infrastructure to handle any type of scale. Now, here's the thing. If you're spending thousands of dollars on ads, or if you're grinding to grow your own organic audience, affiliate marketing might be the most leveraged move you can make. You're basically renting an audience that somebody spent years building with zero upfront cost, or potentially no cost depending on your affiliate offer. If you want to explore affiliates for your Shopify store, I can build you a complete affiliate starter kit for free. This includes a list of 150 influencers in your niche, an affiliate offer tailored to your products, personalized outreach templates that are ready to send, and a custom affiliate application page for your store. No costs, no strings attached. If I reached out to you personally via email, you can just reply to that email with the word yes, or you can email me at alex@goascendaffiliates.com and just email me the word yes. So just as a quick note, me and my team are actually going to be personally building these for you. So there's only a few stores that we can handle at a time. So we will have to follow a first come, first serve policy. So again, just email me the word yes, and we'll get you set up.